All right, I welcome you back in the sixth video of the series. Here we will understand how checking out works and what exactly checking out means, right? So it's like simple one line, it is just checking out a particular version. Okay, it means what if we want, like suppose currently the most recent version is which version most recent we have version 4, right? If you see most recent version is version 4, that means if I will go to the code, it will also show me version 4 details, right? Whatever the code that I write over here, I can see version 4. But if I have to see the previous version, okay, so that can be done through a checkout. Okay, so how it can be done? Let's see. Here, I will first clear the screen, right? Now let's see here we have what git log. Okay, I mentioned the details over here, the steps. Okay, git log. So when we have a git log, we get all the versions ID. Okay, so suppose I want to check out this particular thing, okay, which is version 2. So what I have to write, I have to just copy this ID, right? And here I have to write git checkout, okay, and this guy. Okay, now the switching happened to that particular version, right? Which version 2, right? If you go to your code, you can see version 2 over here, right? That means if you check git log now, you find your head is connected to version 2. Okay, the head which was initially connected here, the head which was connected over here, okay, now this head moves to version 2. Okay, this head is now moves toward version 2, right? So this is how over here things are working in case of checking out. Okay, so let me just give a quick kind of a revision out of it. Checking out out a commit in Git involves moving your working directory to a specific commit. Okay, now when you check out, we're essentially telling the version control system to set our working directory and code base to the state it was at the specific time. That it's like, suppose a recent version is created and there is some bugs in that recent version. Okay, and I again want to use the previous version. Okay, so in that case, we can easily access the previous version like this. Okay, and then the step is like this, git checkout. But now if I have to again check out, okay, so I can check out these guys because my head is over here. Okay, suppose I want to check out version 3. So what I will do, I have to get back to my dev or whatever, right? Like see git checkout main. Okay, so here I just move to main, right? When I move to main, I can just see over here. Okay, I have all 4 versions. Okay, now again I can do what? Again I can check out to a particular version. Okay, so git log, I need what? I need the ID. Okay, suppose version 3 I want, so git checkout. Okay, what version 3? All right, so let's see. Okay, so now where is my head? It is at version 3. See the code of version 3, right? And then if I will do what? If I will check over here git log, I will get only till version 3 wherever the head is present. If I want all the logs, so I can use what? Git log all. Okay, so here I'll get all the logs. It shows we have these 2 branches, but my head is connected to what? Version 3. Okay, I hope you understood this thing. We'll meet in the next video with the things like how Git hosting services actually works. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.